Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, it's Chetan for Gizmo Times, and you're watching the quick unboxing and also the overview of a smartphone that is launched by a cryptocurrency developers. It's the Electroneum M1. Electroneum is the cryptocurrency, and the developers have thought of coming up with a smartphone that's a budget smartphone that they have taglined as the phone that pays you back. The reason here is that they claim that it has the cloud mining feature, which would be helping get back about $3 a month by the cloud mining feature. So this is a basic phone. It comes with the quad-core 1.3 GHz MediaTek chipset, a 4.5-inch touchscreen, and a basic camera combination of 5 MP rear and 2 MP front camera. And there's a 1600 mAh battery. So there's nothing special in the smartphone, it's all basic specs, but that is what it is about because the mining feature that Electroneum has, you don't need any heavy processor, you don't need any heavy resources that the app would use because cloud mining is about mining in the cloud and not within the smartphone. It's just that it uses your smartphone as one of those nodes or ends where it pays you back. So that is the main feature here. It pays you back about $3 worth of Electroneum, and you can use that Electroneum to not just exchange or sell, but also you can use the same to recharge or top up your number. And for now it's only one partner that the company has, but the company says that they have been in talks with the different network providers for recharging and for the top up of the numbers. So this is the Electroneum M1. It's a basic phone, as you can see. There's nothing special in that, but Electroneum itself has quite a lot of advantages for the payments, and we were given a quick demo of how you can get candies by paying for through Electroneum from the Electroneum wallet, and it's all instant because that candy machine was internet connected, and as soon as you send your Electroneum as a payment, the candies would come out. So that is how cool the thing about Electroneum is, and that is all about the Electroneum M1. That is an $80 phone that is being launched, and we are not sure about the launch in which markets initially, but this is a basic phone. You can buy it online as well. It would be coming to the Amazon US and the other markets later. So this was the Electroneum M1. If you want to know more about Electroneum or about this smartphone, do let us know and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.